In this video, let me guide you through how you can change Google password. First, open your Chrome. Make sure that you are logged in google.com, like this one. Make sure you are logged in into the Google account for which you want to change the password. After that, tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then tap Manage your Google account. It will take you to this exact page. So now, what you want to do next is tap where it says Personal Info, and then scroll down until you see an option called Password. Once you found it, tap on it. You now have the ability to change your Google account password. So go ahead, tap over here, and then type in a strong and memorable password for your account, and then enter that exact password over here for confirmation. Now, once you've done that, just tap Change Password. This is exactly how you change your Google account password. Well, that's it for today's video. For more videos like this, make sure to click subscribe. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you next time!